May I know your opinion about yung pagbato ng issue mula sa paikot-ikot sa Kongreso and then sa Senado, tas ngayon ibinabato ngayon sa ICI. Siyempre frustrated na yung mga tao, nagbi-build up na yung anger. Ano yung masasabi mo sa mga nangyayari?
Problema kasi dyan in terms of, in legal terms, ay pag lagi nating iniintay or lagi nang natin hinahayaan sila, people will keep losing faith in the justice system. Kasi ngayon nga, wala pang napapakulong, and that's the very big issue here. If the justice system fails us, who can we depend on? And that's why we are here instead of just waiting for the courts to bring justice for us.
So if walang justice, tas mag-escalate ang situation, who can help us?
If the situation escalates, firstly, it will lead to economic collapse, and secondly, it might possibly lead to Mindanao secession, civil war, everything. There are plenty of potential downsides, potential chaos that will emerge pag walang nagbago dito. Kasi lumalaki na yung issue, nakita natin sa mga ibang bansa, yung mga nagpo-protesta doon, yung mga nasusunog na mga government buildings doon. And we're very close to that point. We don't want to reach that point. Gusto natin ng peaceful protest, and we want positive change in our government without necessarily sacrificing any government.